So I finished night work this early hours of this morning, had a power nap of about 4 or 5 hours, and then got over to start putting the metal bars on. They were about as straight as a donkey's hind leg, for those that know the old sayings, but it'll do. It's basically the width of the brackets that are on the solar panels. So I'm then going to fix the solar panels to a piece of batten, so that I can put the batten on there, and then I can cable tie it in multiple areas along the way. And of course the metal bars serve two purposes, is that they also hold that sheet down as well as the straps. Anyway, I digress again. I've just put the kettle on for a brew. Although, can you say a brew when it's coffee and not tea? I noticed I mentioned a cuppa or tea a few times, and I don't do tea, coffee all the way. Let's have that, and then we will get that solar panel, get it up outside, run the wire through, put the meter in, blah 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 blah. Okay, so that's the first solar panel fixed on. It's a much better angle than the other one I put up, so hopefully it's strong enough when the wind blows. But what I was thinking actually was I can get some rigid plastic, and I can actually sort of put a skirt on this coming down, just so as it deflects the wind rather than allowing the wind to go underneath it. Hopefully it'll push it up over the top of it. I'm going to make a hole in the polytunnel underneath this sheet, so as that the white sheet's waterproofing it, as it were. And yeah, let's get on with it. So we're back inside the polytunnel. Solar panels on the outside. Now originally I was going to have the battery banks down there, but of course now I want to put the diesel heater down there, so that would have meant moving the batteries along, longer wires, etc. So I thought, sod it, I'm going to put both the batteries up there, so that they're right near the solar panels. And I knew this one was well drained because I swapped it over for another one probably a month or so ago. But just connecting that up to the board, we got 18.6 volts coming in, I presume. The battery's not connected yet, so we don't know what the voltage actually is, but I will do that next. Okay, so it was on something like 18, wasn't it? And it's now 12.2. So is that the juice coming in, or is that the charge on the battery? I don't think it's actually the charge in the battery, because looking at that, the battery is dead as a dodo. So let's see. I'll leave it a couple of hours and we'll have another look. I've never really looked into the menu on this thing. Perhaps I'll have to read the perhaps I'll have to read the book. You know what us blokes are like on reading instructions. But anyway, that's that.